Lagos bound. Off to the departure gates now. Check-in went in smooth as a breeze. Righty. So I'm trying to queue up a YouTube video. We're heading towards the departure gates now, but unfortunately the upload time is a bit longer than I've got to spend before we jump on the plane. So I'm gonna have to try at my destination. I've already got 2 videos queued, and yeah, due to last minute rush. Never do last minute rush before you travel. So this is one of the main problems. I've got 2 videos to queue up for the period that I'm going to be away for. I've got actually 4 videos. I managed to queue up 2 and then 2 more videos, but yeah. Anyways. So that's exactly where we are right now. Flight's grounded. We're still waiting. It's a game of waiting now. The flight is slightly delayed. They've had to move gates, so I'm just killing time. Had some chocolate, came to the toilet. We're boarding now. Check. Good morning, it's your boy Phrankleen. What's going on, guys? Listen, this marks the end of that vlog from Manchester to Lagos, pretty much. I should have ended the vlog yesterday. I was dead tired. Came out of the airport straight into a cab. I'm just shattered. Anyway, yeah, that's that with the end of the vlog. And look out for more updates, okay? Catch you in the next one. Peace and love. Bye now. Yo, welcome to another episode with your boy Phrankleen. So, I'm at it's a bit, light is a bit dim in here. I'm at a local Amala joint. For those of you that know what's up with Amala, right? Let me show you real quick. Look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. This one has a cow foot, has beef, has pomo, has a wedu. For those of you living in diaspora, eat your heart out, man. Listen, I'll catch you in the next one, alright? What's going on, guys? It's your boy Phrankleen. Here's a bowl of catfish pepper soup. Can you help me hold the light in my face, please? Yeah, so I'm out and about. I'm here just enjoying the local food. It's a bowl of catfish pepper soup served with it's a bit dark here, so forgive me. It's served with some yam cubes or yam slices. I actually not sure if you've been watching my channel. I know some of you enjoy Phrankleen talking about everyday topics that affect our lives and stuff. But here's a fun fact. My channel used to be called Nigerian Food Channel, and then I rebranded it so that I can talk about, you know, everyday topics that affect our lives and stuff like that, yeah? So actually I've got more than 100 food recipes. So if you're looking for mouth-watering Nigerian food recipes, look for my playlists. And yeah, I'm here in Nigeria at the moment. It's been great. Unfortunately, you know what? I planned to vlog all the way through and bring something, but unfortunately due to commitments and so many drawbacks and, you know, ups and downs and dealing with so many stuff, I've not been able to move around my camera and concentrate on vlogging. It's been really challenging, but hopefully someday soon I'll be able to come back and do some more vlogging. So I just show you this, film myself, and then hopefully I'll stitch this with something else. All right. And here's the lovely wife. It's a bit dark. That's the wife. For those of you that don't know, that's Frankleen's wife, Victoria. Alright? Catch you in the next one. You hear me cut the light.